So I'm as always. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Holiday Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Now we're going to continue on with our third holiday cocktail, and this is a kick in the ass, and I mean that by every sense of the words, a kick in the ass. I call this Jingle Juice. Now you've probably heard of Jungle Juice, and this is my spin on that concept of a lot of booze and some juices to make it really tasty. If you Google Jingle Juice cocktail, you'll probably find, I don't know, I stopped counting after about 15 different recipes. So basically, Jingle Juice has been a term for holiday cocktails that can't get another name. It's kind of why I'm calling it Jingle Juice, because it's gonna make everybody jingle and jangle when they drink it. Well, at least that's kind of how I feel about it. So let's get started with our Jingle Juice cocktail. In your small tin, we're gonna start with a ½ ounce. It's not much. A ½ ounce of gin. Use your favorite gin. I am. So we go with a ½ ounce of gin. That's it, ½ ounce. See? Not real much, not a whole lot. So next, we do a ½ ounce of a white rum. Again, not much, just a ½ ounce. Now, ½ ounce of vodka. Kind of see where this is going? ½ ounce of vodka. And next, we do a ½ ounce of a dark rum. And again, most everything I'm using, I think everything I'm using is local products. Get a local distiller, anywhere you live, try their stuff out. I've said it all oh my God, this smells good. Oh, sorry, distracted there when I opened this bottle and the aroma hit me. And Three Roll Estates dark rum is amazing. I'm gonna do a ½ ounce of the dark rum. You got sidetracked. Yeah, use local distilleries if you have them. I'll just say that. So it's kind of like a Long Island iced tea build, a ½ ounce of a whole bunch of liquors. But what you don't see in a Long Island iced tea is whiskey. A ½ ounce of whiskey. And again, this is 7.3 Irish Chandler. This is a blend of American whiskey, and which is American corn whiskey, I believe is how they say it, and an Irish whiskey, so it's a little sweeter. So there's our spirits. It's a little boozy. All right, so next, we're gonna bring some juices into the factor. So we're gonna start off with ½ ounce of, actually no, 1 ounce, yeah, 1 ounce of a diet cranberry juice. This is Ocean Spray. I just put it in this bottle because it's a lot easier to manage than a gallon jug. Next, we're gonna go with some lime juice. Let me move some of this out of my way before I knock this shit over, because I can see me doing that. Do a ½ ounce of fresh lime juice. This will have 1 gram of carbs, and a ½ ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1 gram of carbs. So far, these are the only carbs in our cocktail. It's some fresh lemon juice and some fresh lime juice. So in here is my half size and my juicer. ½ ounce. And there we go, ½ ounce of lime juice. And the ½ ounce of fresh lemon juice. There we go. Let's put this aside. And next we'll go with a little bit of sugar-free pomegranate syrup. And that's Monen's sugar-free pomegranate syrup. And I'll leave a link in the description below where you can pick this up on Amazon through one of my affiliate links. ½ ounce of that. And we do a ¼ ounce of Allulose simple syrup. And that's it. So we have a half ounce of gin, half ounce of rum, half ounce of gin, half ounce of vodka, half ounce of dark rum, half ounce of whiskey. Boost drink. A little bit of cranberry juice, a little bit of pomegranate syrup, a little bit of citrus with the lemon and lime, touch out the sweet with the simple syrup. And we're gonna go ahead and get this shaken with some ice. All right, we're gonna serve that in a highball glass full of fresh ice. And we're gonna strain all of this on there. And leave a little bit of rum. We're gonna top that with another great Christmas flavored ginger. We're gonna use some Diet Gosling's ginger beer. Oh, there you go. Now what I like to do is if I'm doing a ginger beer, topping it, give it a little stir. There we go, get that to the bottom. Just to get that ginger beer all the way to the bottom and bring the cocktail up to the top so everything kind of meets in the middle. All right, let's see how this turned out. That's delicious. That's Jingle Jangle delicious. Jingle Jangle, the Jingle Juice. And by adding some dark rum, which is barrel aged, adding the whiskey, which is barrel aged, brings a lot of the vanilla and the oak flavors into the cocktail, which really makes this stand apart. Unlike some other cocktails that use, Long Island iced tea type builds and things like that, that don't use a barrel aged liquor, that oak really adds a whole new layer of complexity to your cocktail. That's absolutely delicious, guys. All right, guys, as always, thank you all for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for my next holiday cocktail. And like I said, I do have about 4 more coming out. As always, y'all have a great day. As always, y'all have a great day, because when I'm finished this one, I'm gonna have a great day too. See y'all later. Man, I've been doing too many videos today. It's starting to show. See y'all later, guys. Nope, come with me. Come with me.